The Yakima Police Department has issued an Amber Alert for a 1-year-old Hispanic female named Freya Gartrell. She is 2 feet 8 inches tall, weighs 20 pounds, has brown hair and blue eyes, and was last seen at 205 West Washington Avenue, Yakima, Washington. She was wearing a white onesie with fruit on it. They may be traveling in a 2014 gold GMC Acadia. Washington license plate BTW 5401. The vehicle was stolen from the post office parking lot with the child left inside the vehicle. If you have information, please call the Yakima Police Department at 509-457-0207 or call 911.